Bronchiectasis. Let's talk about it. Okay, so what is it? Well, it's a condition in which the airways of the lungs widen and become permanently damaged. It can be caused by a number of conditions. Check this out. The bronchi, those are the airway tubes going into your lungs, can get damaged and widen. When this happens, those airways can't clear mucus like they normally do. As a result, the mucus just builds up, and when mucus sits, bacteria grows. This can lead to a lot more inflammation and permanent damage to the lungs. As you can imagine, the symptoms include lots of coughing as your body tries to remove the excess mucus, amongst a host of others. Bronchiectasis can't be cured, but symptoms can be managed. Check out some of these keys to success. Okay, so now you know what bronchiectasis is. It's a step up from bronchitis. In this case, the damage is permanent. Keep it real, stay smooth. Cha-cha out.